Since the iconic Mach 3's debut in 1969, the moniker Kawasaki 500 has been a wellspring of vitality and creative impetus for motorcyclists across the globe. In the forthcoming year of 2024, Kawasaki is primed to unveil the Ninja 500 and Z500, poised for an intense rivalry in the mid-capacity sports bike sector. Contingent upon the locale of sale, the SE iteration may encompass instrument dashboard casings with a smoky allure, a radiator exhibit, collision buffer mechanisms, passenger saddle wraps, fuel tank pads, and knee clutch pads. As for authentic supplementary features, Z500 proprietors enjoy an extensive array of choices, including a substantial frontal windshield, offered in transparent or smoky tints, an ERGO-fit elevated saddle, plus 30mm fuel tank pouches, and edge insignias. Maintaining the same lattice-style core framework and liquid-cooled paired cylinder motor as the Z, the 2024 Kawasaki Array likewise embraces the entirely novel Ninja 500. It presents itself with a more assertive aesthetic within the novel Ninja lineage, showcasing angular upper fairings and an all-encompassing performance design paradigm. The Ninja 500 augments its attractiveness to seasoned riders in search of a sleek framework, effortless ground contact, and convincing dexterity at lower velocities, all custom-tailored to authentic sports-oriented prowess. For those keen to embark on their inaugural adventure with the Ninja 500, replete with direct feature enhancements, the Ninja 500 Special Edition is meticulously tailored. Adorned with distinctive chromatic motifs, the SE incorporates the keyless ignition as a standard facet, complemented by a TFT gauge and USB-C console. Much like the Z500 SA, its features may also integrate a diverse array of other elements, contingent upon the marketplace's peculiarities.